Nothing to do with this. Please just go. Dang it, go to hell. Ha! Hi guys, welcome ulit sa isang panibagong horror game. Ngayon lalaroin natin ang late night shift. Start na natin. Mahina ako sa mga ganito. Kasi madali ako ma-distract eh. Gagana na ba tayo? Okay, W. Walang manggugulat. Pwede siya i-left, right, left, right. Sino yan? Sino yan? Ayun, dito yan. Para may sumakay sa likod natin ah. Ito na ba yun? Ito na yata yun. Sige, dito na tayo magpa-park. Bakit kailangang 1 AM but 12 AM, 12:28 AM. May tao dito. Parang may sumakay kanina eh. Ayaw. Hello? Okay, dito na tayo. Dito ba yan? Locked sa harap. So, dito ako mag-work. Hello? Delay yung footsteps. Delay nga. Yung tunog ng footsteps. Hala, na-stuck ako. Gag. Ayun. Hello, boss. Ikaw ang boss ko o ikaw ang kapalitan ko? Hello? Relax man, it's just half an hour. Well, look who finally decided to show up. Baligtad pala. Got lost on the way to work. Yes, paano? Enter? E? Space? Paano? Mamimili pala tayo. Whatever, dude, half an hour is half an hour. You know, I got a life outside this place, right? Mamimili pala. Yeah, my bad, bro. Okay. Ingat ka, bro. Saan daw yung tasks natin? Equipment storage room. Okay. Clock in. Alright. It's 1:15. Ito ba yun? Ano meron dito? So may shift ba? Locked. Mike said the boss left me some tasks. Better check the board. Saan ba yung board? Ito. Okay. Cut of the month. Okay. Ito. Make sure the floor is spotless. Customers don't like walking into them. Tama naman. Saan natin kukunin yung pang map? Saan yung pang map? Nasa gilid ba? Kailangan natin maghanap na yung map. Let's go. Okay. Yan. Nice. 1 down. 2 down. Dahil lang pala laruin to eh. Okay. Meron pa ba? Nice. Meron pa bang tao? Gandang oras. Ano ba yung natulog dito? Parang okay na siguro. Next. Man, I need a breather. Might as well take it easy until someone shows up. Sige. Ito pala. Ito, paano ito itabi? Bawal. Yan na, may tao na, may tao. Tumutunog ba to? Nga, tumutunog. Yo, bossing! Sige lang, bili ka lang dyan. Ito na mag-decide Ito ba yun? Hi, yan lang ba? How can I... Paano kita pagbebentahan? Okay na nga, ako na kukuha niyan. Uy. Late night, huh? Bet you're not thrilled to be here. This place always feels a bit off at night, don't you think? Yeah, it's a bit quiet. Not much to do. Yeah, I get it. A guy like you, probably just trying to survive. Bet you don't get much company out here, huh? Not much. Doon lang tayo sa peaceful. I get it sometimes. Silence better than all the noise in the world. You mind checking this out for me? Oh, sure. Tagal mo, boss Paano ba? Ito ba yan? Okay. Ba't nawala? Saan napunta? Oo nga naman. Bakit naman throw? Okay na? Okay na ba? Ayan. I don't get how people don't appreciate the small things like a snack and a drink at this hour. It's a lifesaver. Definitely, some people don't realize how much they need these little things. Anyway, keep the change. You needed it more than I do. Aww. Thank you. I should check the board for my next task. Asaan? Go to the shelves for expired products. We don't need complaints. Dito tayo dito. Paano ko malalaman kung expired na? Ito. Makikita mo naman pala. Ito at saka to. Sa kabila. Okay. Okay na ba? Meron pa. Saan? Sa ilalim? Meron pa ba? Dapat lapitan lang sila para lumitaw yung mga sulat niya, no? Okay, lapitan natin. Dito, meron dito. Yun na ba yun? Next task na? Yun, may customer. Sige, pasok lang. Papagas ka ba? O bibili ka din? Ay, magpapagas siya. Ako ba dapat niyan? So tayo. Tamad naman ito. Boss. Ay, ito pala si boss yun. Yes, boss. Hey man, need a fill up full tank. Alright, I gotcha. I'll be inside grabbing something while you do that. Sige. So, full tank natin to. Ito ba yun? Okay, saan ko sasaksak to? Kahit saan lang pala. Kala ko may butas. So, walang wireless tayo pala, guys, no? Wireless. Okay, magbabayad na ba siya? Yes, di na po yung binili nyo. Okay na. Ay nga, atayaw. Kailangan ba nasa labas ako para ma-scan ko yan? Paano? Throw muna natin. Ay, punyemas. Baka nasira na. Yung? Nawala. Asay na ba? Bakit throw? Okay na ba, boss? So, how's working in the night shift? Must be kinda eerie out here, all alone. You're the second customer tonight to mention that. Should I be worried? Who knows? Maybe they know something you don't. Uy. Alright, man. Appreciate it. I should get going. Stay safe out there. Never know what kind of people you'll run into at night. Yeah, you too. Balik kayo. Take out the trash. Get rid of the expired stuff and any trash. The dumpsters out back. Paano tayo magtatapon? Saan ba yung mga basura? Nandoon sa loob. Ano to? Ay! Ay! Ano yun? Ano to? Ba't ang dami naman ito? So, sira to? May araw eh. I see. Sige, ganun lang pala yun. Nakalock. So, ikot ako. Ito ba yun? Basurahan. Ito nga. Natapon ko na. The restroom's supposed to be empty this late. Better check it out. Hello? May tao ba yan? Ay. Hi, may mumo ba dito? Nakalaki isa. May tao. May tao. Pwede ba silipin yung ilalim? Walang salamin. Usually may salamin yung mga CR, diba? Nakalock. So may tao. Ha! Pinyeta ka. Visit. Anong ibig mong sabihin hindi mo ako sinasadyang takutin? Gulatin? Dude, what the hell? Scared the crap out of me. People should be more aware of their surroundings. You never know who's watching. Grabe ka. Do you need something? I was just passing through. I thought I'd stop and stretch my legs. You good, man? I'm always good, just enjoying the night. Loh, ang weird mo naman. Kung kailang gabi doon ka nagagala-gala. Right, I should get back to work. Ay, nako. Dinulat mo ako. Pero kahit nakalock talaga siya. So, that's one of the jump scares. Okay. Time to check board again. Fill up empty spots on the shelves. Can't sell what we don't have. Nga naman. So, how do we fill up that? Sara natin to para malaman natin kung may tao. So, mga empty natin dito ay mga tinapay, tsaka yung mga bread. Saan ba yung mga bread? Paano? How do we fill those up? Tuna cans. Tinapa. Ito. Ito yun. Diba? Dito yan. Nice. Okay. Dali lang pala. Ha! Sino ka? Punyemas ka. Ba't ka ba nang gugulat? Pwede bang sapakin kita? Ba't ka ba nang gugulat? So, isa ka ring Jeff doon sa Pisonet na mahilig manggulat. Si Mike pala to. Mike, I swear. Muntik na kitang masapak. Grabe ka. Mapanakot ka palang klaseng tao. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Boss told me to give you this earlier key to the outside storage door. My bad. Anyway, I'm out for real this time. Try not to cry. Bitch. Isa kang malaking bitch. Ba't ba nanunulak pa? Hayop ka. Ito tinapay. Okay, tapos na ba ang ating shift? Ay, hindi pa. 3:37 AM, sara natin yan. Bastos to si Mike eh. Hindi nagsasara ng door. Mukhang wala na. Pantay na lang tayo ng customer. Tingnan natin kung marami yung floor para malinisan natin. Okay naman. Malinis naman. Dapat may footsteps eh yung mga tao para malaman kung may paparating. Ayun, may tao. Hello, welcome sa store. Hello po. Ano pong inyo? I was gonna say gawan nyo yung lubyo. Yun yung kapampangan na do whatever you want. Astig maglakad ni madam eh. Damihan nyo po, boss nyo na yan para magsara na kami. Pero di ba may tao sa likod? Ano kaya yun? Check kaya natin habang wala pa. Ay, bawal lumabas. Bawal ako lumabas, ganun. Dito kaya. Nakalock. Ay, ito baka magbayad na to. Oh dear, working alone at this hour. Yeah, just holding down the fort. Patayaw. Baka may sasabihin ka pa? Kumakanta ka ba? Ay, kumakanta si madam, kakatakot. Ano ba yan? Kailangan pala binabato yun para gumana. Ay. Ano ba? Dito lang. Bye-bye. Bayad niyo po. Taratid ko na po kayo. Madam. Okay na. Okay, bantayan mo muna yung store. Ako muna dito. Katakot naman. So, maliwanag ang buwan. Yeah. Mayroon ditong habang nandiyan si madam, mag-explore tayo. Meron ditong ano kaya yun? Tubig? In case of emergency. Ito. Ice. Bawal ba ito iangat? Si madam, oh. Madam, diyan ka lang, madam. Habang titignan ko lang dito yung kanina. Yun. Nice. So, sino yun? Ah, yung kanina si ano yun? Si yung lalaki. Baka pwede ko nang buksan dito to. Bawal pa din. So, anong susi yun kanina sinasabi? May kailangan dialogue dito? Yes po. You know, I used to work nights too. Long ago, never liked it. Too many strange people lurking around after dark. Be careful, dear. Some folks ain't just strange. Some are wrong. Ooh. You ever get that feeling like someone's watching you? How would you say that? Just an old woman's ramblings, dear. Forget I said anything. We, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede magsasabi ka na nakakatakot tapos sabihin mo kalimutan ko lang. Tapos sabihin mo pa, stay safe out here. Never know what kind of people you run into at night. Okay, what time is it? 3:54. Ang tagal ng gabi. Hi, ikaw ba yung nanakot kanina? Gagi, may dala siyang patalim. I bolted for the storage room without thinking. Open! Gago! Dapat pala mabilis tayo. I died. ulitin natin. Ibig mo sabihin, kanina pa tayo nagre-record, hindi nyo pala naririnig. Sige, ulitin natin. Dapat doon na tayo sa part na sasaksakin tayo. Dapat mabilis at tayong umaksyon. I will make sure na hindi tayo Fuck you, bitch. Now that's not very polite. Running away when we were just getting to know each other. I'll call the cops. Oh, and what will they find? Huh? An empty store? A poor little clerk trembling in a closet? Leave me alone. I've seen this before. They always think a door can keep them safe. Someone's gonna come. Do you think a door is going to stop me? I've never needed locks to get what I want. Yeah, I have nothing to do with this. Please just go. Dang it. Go to hell. Ha! Dang it! Umikot pala siya. I think that's all for tonight, guys. I'm too scared to continue. Don't forget to subscribe. Like nyo na rin, guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo. So, ayun muna tonight. Magkita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video.